What's up, guys, and once again welcome back to my page. You all know that my page is dedicated to teach you guys how to make soap, body creams, perfumes, laundry detergent, and every other thing that you want to know concerning cosmetics and household cleaning products. Forget all those crews I used to do online, all those funny reaction videos. The main purpose of my page, is I'm a soap maker, and we sell soap equipment, and I also do trainings. So watch this video and learn how to make soap at home. I will teach you every step out here and how to make soap. So watch and learn. Displayed here on my work table are the ingredients and the chemicals I'll be using for this soap making project. So I'll be highlighting them one after the other with their measurements. Over here is my caustic soda. People know it as lye. I'm making use of 325 grams. And here is my water. I'm making use of 665 grams. How do I know these grams? I used a digital scale. It's also known as a kitchen scale. So if you are making soap and you want to know the precise measurements, then make sure you get a kitchen scale so that your measurements will be correct. So you can see I have dissolved my caustic soda inside the water and I'm stirring it. Over here is the oil we'll be using for this production. I'm making use of palm kernel oil. That's my palm kernel oil. I'm making use of 1,400 grams. Then here is the groundnut oil, also known as peanut oil. I'm making use of 700 grams. This is my color, and I'll be using fragrance. In soap making, oil is a necessary ingredient. You cannot make soap without using oil. Oil, caustic soda, and water are the most necessary ingredients in every soap production. So I'm going to mix the oils together. I'll pour in my palm kernel oil into that mixing basin. After pouring in the palm kernel oil, I'm going to pour in my groundnut oil inside that same basin. So I'll mix both oils together. So you can see all the steps and processes in soap making is actually very simple. Soap making is not complicated. It's one of the simplest things you can learn. But there are other intricate things you need to know. That's why I host online class. Once you get those other little knowledge, which I cannot show here in this video, you have to join the class because the video is limited, but you will get all the necessary information when you join my class. Once you get all those ideas in soap making, you'll know that soap is very easy to make. You can literally start producing soap for your household use, for sale, for anything you want to do. Here is one of the soap equipment we sell. We have varieties of soap equipment. This is one of them. This is a soap mold. It's used for producing soap. If you need this, you can chat me up on WhatsApp through those phone numbers displayed there. Reach me on WhatsApp if you want this mold. We deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send this mold down to you. So do well by chatting me to purchase your own soap equipment. We have varieties, so chat me up on WhatsApp. Now we have started the soap making process. I have poured my caustic soda into my oil. It's as simple as that. Just pour your caustic into your oil. Once you pour it, you start mixing or stirring. The next thing I want to put again is the color. That's my color. I'll be pouring in the color bit by bit. So you can choose to pour everything. You can choose to pour it bit by bit and stir. After adding the color, the next thing I want to put in is the fragrance. So I've added the fragrance. Fragrance is just to make the soap have a good smell. When you are making your soap, you need to add fragrance so that your soap will have a good smell. You don't want your soap to have a bad smell. So fragrance will help your soap to have a good smell. You can check the video description. If you want to join my class, check this video description. You'll find a link where you can simply click on it to join the class. If you have issues joining through the link, you can chat me up on WhatsApp through those phone numbers there to be added to the training group on WhatsApp. You can see the phone numbers I've displayed there. Just chat me up on any of those numbers to be added to the training group. Then you will learn how to make soap like a pro. You learn how to make the body soap, the laundry bar soap, the powder detergent, the liquid soap, the shower gel, the body cream, the body lotion, the organic soap, the hair. There's a lot of things you will learn in the online class. So do what by chatting me on WhatsApp through those phone numbers displayed there to join the class. And don't forget to purchase your equipment. We have varieties of soap equipment. Chat me on WhatsApp to see them and purchase the one that you like or prefer. We deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send our equipment down to your location. Now you can see how unique this mold is. It can be assembled and disassembled. So you can actually arrange it back. Now you arrange it when you are making it. You can see how I'm arranging it inside the mold. That's why this mold is actually very unique. You can literally scatter the whole thing and assemble it later again. You can see how I'm assembling the mold inside the container. You can see how it is now giving each of the soap their shape. You can see how unique and easy to use this mold is. That's why I advise people to purchase this mold. This is what we produce. We produce them at my workshop. We have them in plenty numbers to distribute to every Nigerian. We have them plenty to distribute. So do it by chatting me to purchase your own wonderful and beautiful soap mold. You can see how beautiful this is. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase your soap mold. So we are done arranging it. We are going to cover it. You can cover it with anything. You can use a nylon. You can use anything to cover it. Once you make soap, always cover it so that you prevent the formation of soda ash. Now after 24 hours, this is the result of our soap. This is the following day, and our soap has come out looking very beautiful and bright. I'm going to take it out of the mold. So I'll be taking this out of the mold. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share this video. Share it with your friends. There are a lot of people that want to watch lucrative and educative videos like this that will help empower them to have a skill and also give them something they can be doing for business. So share this video with your friend, and don't forget to purchase your soap equipment. Don't forget to join our online class. Don't forget that we sell varieties of soap equipment. Don't forget to follow me. Follow me, very important. Click on the follow button. If you're watching this on YouTube, click on the subscribe button so that you will not miss out on any of my latest videos. Follow me on Facebook, follow me on YouTube, and follow me on TikTok. We have very wonderful and lucrative videos like this. You can see how this soap is coming out of the mold. You can see how beautiful this soap looks like. This mold is one of the best mold you can get as a starter in soap making. This will give you 18 tablets of soap. This is 18 tablets. If you count it, that is 18 tablets this mold has produced. So this is a very wonderful soap mold. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to follow me. Very important. The moment you follow me, whenever I drop videos like this, you'll be updated. You'll not miss out. And please share my videos. After watching like this and you are blessed, share it with others. Let them also watch and be blessed, because this is skill that you are empowering yourself with. Goodbye and have a lovely day, and see you all next time on my next video.